I've just come into the Auris room. Hey, there's Miki Trosic from Auris. Miki, how are you?
I'm fine. Glad to see you again.
Good to see you again too. You know, we had a wonderful visit with the 6550 Fortissimo up at Lake Placid, and it just filled the room with music. So we're very interested to hear what you have here at the show today.
We have a little bit big brother Fortino 6550 and Poison 8 speakers. Then we have our DAC D2D, and that's it. Bigger brother called Fortissimo because it's bigger, of course.
It is.
Italian.
Yes, it is.
Means bigger, stronger. So KT120 tubes, and in the first stage we have ECC99 from Slovakian Tesla, JJ. So that's it. Mostly people ask me to design an integrated amp because they want something similar like our monos, Forte 150, but they do not have the space and they want integrated one. So we designed this Fortissimo, and it's pretty successful.
Well, it sure is a beautiful looking amplifier, as are all of your amplifiers. You have
Thank you.
Great design eye. The wood is American walnut, and it then gets shipped over to you, and then you do the machining over there, and the finishing, and then it gets put into the product, and it comes back here. Yep.
A very long way to come back here.
Yep. The leather is also Italian leather, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, it's Italian leather.
Yep.
Actually, maybe it comes from Serbia. Then they do the industry. They do some changes on it and then ship it back. So,
So it does. Okay. So it has a little travel time.
Yeah.
Well, great. And the speaker model again is the
Poison 8. Poison 8 is three-way speaker.
Well, it's beautiful to look at.
Thank
We're
you.
doing different focuses on it here. It looks really cool. It's the offset of the organicness of the leather, and then the wood, and then the aluminum. It's just a beautiful look. Well, can we do some listening?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, let's do that next. Here we go. beautiful. It's almost a surround sound effect. We have rear firing tweeters to help with the ambience. So viewers, you can switch those on and off depending upon if you want to have a little bit more or a lot more ambience. The wrap it around your head sound stage.
Yeah.
It's fast and quick and realistic. It's got that real presence. It's exciting.
I have to tell you something. We use ZenSati cables also, which is one of the best in the world. So it also helps a little bit. But the design of our tube amps are not the same as all the others. And the speakers are also different.
They're very
different than the others. So sometimes it's hard to come and jump in the heritage market of the high-end audio with something different, but we are doing that, and we will see what will happen. Right now we are successful.
Well, I think you're going to be very successful going forward, establishing distribution here in the United States. You've got one dealer aboard already who's been a key to help you enter this market. The world is your oyster with a product like this.
You're right. Also thanks to our to Jason.
Yes, he's very good at Adirondack Audio.
Adirondack Audio.
Yeah, big call out to him, a shout out to Jason. So thank you, Miki. Great sound. It's superb. I look forward to auditioning or reviewing the amplifiers such as this and the larger speakers of this that Jason has. He'd like to drive them down next year to our listening studio.
Yeah,
So
that would be great.
That would be really cool.
Maybe we can send you Poison 88.
That'd be
big
very
brother of this one.
Sounds very cool. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, have a great show.
Thank you very much.